Digital currencies and the world of humanity, the future of cryptocurrency. Introduction. The advent of digital currencies marks a significant turning point in the financial landscape, bringing with it profound implications for human society. As cryptocurrencies evolve, they challenge traditional financial systems, offer new forms of economic participation, and present both opportunities and challenges. This essay explores the future of different types of cryptocurrencies and their potential impact on the world of humanity. The evolution of cryptocurrencies. Since the launch of Bitcoin in 2009, the concept of decentralized digital money has transformed from a niche interest into a global phenomenon. Bitcoin introduced the world to the idea of a currency that operates without central control, secured by blockchain technology. This decentralized approach has since inspired thousands of other cryptocurrencies, each aiming to address different needs or improve upon existing systems.